In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to a contact in Pipedrive. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to contacts here in the bottom left. And from here, as you can see, I have some demo sample contacts in here. So don't worry, I'm not leaking anyone's info. This is just some demo data. And then here you can see, of course, you have a bunch of different columns and rows. And usually by default, none of these are going to be named notes. Okay. So to actually add those, you could go and click on over here on the right to click on this customize columns, and then in here look for in case you can see notes anywhere. So you could go to not visible under person or organization, and you can look for notes. Now I do have notes over here, and that is because I've created them myself. So if you don't see them, click on plus custom field up top and click on person field. Then here under field name, you can name it whatever. I'm going to name this one notes or like note. And then I'm going to click on here, field type is going to be text. And then I'm going to do a person add view, places where shown, just like this. It's up to you. You can make it required, stuff like that. These specifications are, of course, custom according to whatever you want to do. Then click on the save button and it's going to get saved. Now, by default, it's not going to pop in automatically. So you have to refresh the site to actually take effect and to it start working. And then you want to go to over here where you can see customize columns. You have to go under not visible, and now you can see note it's down here. Okay, you can also search for it and it's going to pop up, and you can just click on a check mark and click on save. Now whenever you do this, notice how it's going to get added over here to the right. Of course, you can move it as well if you want to, so you can move it as far to the left as you want or as far to the right as you want. I'm going to leave it over here, and I'm going to of course click on this edit icon, and I'm going to edit the note where I'm going to simply click in and I'm going to type in, for example, like this is a close friend, okay, or something like this, and essentially this is it. Now you could go ahead and of course edit these basically things anywhere you want, and you can place them wherever you want to position them. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.